Alright, my name is Joseph Matsell, and I'm a junior in the Computer Science and Game Design and Development concentration. Our game is called Heal Team, in which you play as a white blood cell defending the body from an invading infection. Our objective was to personify the immune system and let the player play as one of many white blood cells as they move down a blood vessel, taking care of this invasion. Our development process started with thinking about how fun it would be to play with the 5-second rule, like having to wait 5 seconds to attack food, and we eventually moved into the body because we wanted to maintain a somewhat educational feel. This personification of the immune system can be very important. There's a lot of conversation about vaccines these days, and part of the tutorial deals with how vaccines are a weaker enemy and that lets the immune system grow stronger. Of course, the actual gameplay, you play as your white blood cell, you run down the vessel, and more bacteria appear as you go along. And those bacteria tend to bully the memory cells, and those are the ones taking pictures. Kind of like in the real body, where you learn about the disease, and then your immune system gets stronger. And every time you save one, you get an upgrade.
Hi, my name is Ethan Kapelka. I'm a freshman, and I'm a computer science major. So the game we're making is called Robot Rumble. It's based off the TV show called BattleBots. The purpose of the game is to get parts, build your robot, and then go into the arena and fight using the parts and weapons that you have attached. Alright, so the game starts, you start drafting. There's a drafting mechanic where both players get to choose from the same deck of cards and sort of build, collect which parts they want to use. And then during the building phase, both players choose which parts they want to equip to their robot. There's different weapons, there's armor, and there's also attachments, as well as action cards. And so all of these parts sort of come together and create their robot. And then after that is the actual game, the actual battling phase. Both of them go on a grid board. It looks like a chessboard. It's a 7x7 grid. And it's both a spatial strategy game and a card building game. That's something we wanted to do, is put those two main mechanics together to make a game.